Namaskar, I am JVN, Dr. Monica Sharma, Director of FLG. Today we are discussing about the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Okay, today we have discussed about the introduction of CRPC. CRPC means Code of Criminal Procedure. CRPC contains 484 sections and 2 schedules. We are elaborating the CRPC in full view, but before CRPC we have discussed about some basic laws. Like law has divided up 2 basic ways, like a substantive law and adjective law. Adjective law. CRPC is an adjective law because CRPC contains a procedure about some act a person who did, like some offenses, a person who commit the offense, then CRPC deals the procedure. CRPC deals the procedure through, like a first part is investigation. Investigation work is done by the police officer. Police officer file the FIR, then he creates a challan. After that, everything is mentioned in his police diary. Police diary, and police officer maintain their records in police diary. Day by day records is maintained by the police diary. It's a mandatory work for police officer. So it's a part of investigation. A police officer, if any one police officer get the information about any offense, like somewhere did the theft, then a police officer who is appointed by the court and authorized by the law will go to the suspected place and start the investigation. First of all, he will create the FIR. He will file the charges of offenses. Then he will prepare the challan, and everything is mentioned in his police diary. After that, CRPC contains a second option, like a inquiry. Inquiry. Every inquiry has been conducted by the magistrate of the court. Magistrate doesn't did the investigation, but magistrate did the inquiry, because inquiry is a part of the facts. How to find out the truth, how to find out the fact, how to find out the truth of allegations. Which allegations will be find out is true, then magistrate will done the act and some decisions. Like inquiry is a part of procedure. Part of procedure for what? For find out the truth of allegations. After the inquiry, a magistrate started the trial. Trial will be conducted in many ways. It depends on the offense. If offense will be summon case, then trial will be summon trial. and offense has been conducted by the warrant case, then trial will be conducted of warrant trial. And if case is petty cases, then trial will be summary trial. If case is introduced by the complaint to magistrate, then trial will be complaint trial. So basically, trial conducted by the court and magistrate to find out and compare the all witnesses, documentations, etc. It's a find out the main purpose of the trial is find out the truth about documentation, witnesses, then any other suspected thing. Basically, CRPC deals some factor like CRPC deals the first is it's a act done against the society. Second, if act done against the society, then person demands the justice, then he'll go to the police officer. After that, police officer frame the FIR. FIR can be any form like a written and oral also. Okay, after that, police officer find out the nature of offense, like offense is a cognizable offense, then police officer prepare the challan sheet, prepare the challan within 60 days and 90 days. If offense has been act will be conducted by the below 10 years, then challan sheet will be prepared within 60 days, and if act has been done by about 10 years imprisonment, then challan sheet will be prepared by within 90 days. After that, police officer submit the challan sheet. We also known as charge sheet. Then he submitted the court. After that, court started his proceeding like a inquiry. Magistrate started the inquiry for regarding the act. If a person committed the theft, if a person committed the theft, then B person reported the police officer. Police officer go to the particular place the act has been done, then find out the facts, like he investigate the all surrounding areas, all the connected persons, he witnessed the A and many more witnesses. So find out the facts. After that, police officer prepare the charge sheet. Then he will submit the court. After that, the magistrate will be start his proceeding. It's called a inquiry. Inquiry, it's a procedure for the find out the truth for allegations, which are persons A allegations alleged to B कि he is theft to my house. Then police officer create a challan sheet after find out the facts कि B is a theft to A's house. After that, he submitted his challan sheet to court. Then magistrate part will be start. He will inquire the allegations. So he will find out the facts and compare to another facts and documents and all relevant persons also. Like every case solved by the principle of res geste. Res geste means a communication of all the facts. It's a series of all the communicating facts. Series of all communicating and connecting facts. Res geste, it's a part of Evidence Act, Indian Evidence Act 1872. Indian Evidence Act 1872, Section 6. Explain the res geste. Res geste means series of all connecting facts. If we want to explain the case about theft, then we have to explain all the connecting series of the facts, like if A alleged to B to for the theft, then for the proved of the B, then we have to collect the witnesses and documents regarding the allegations. If C said to police officer, then I saw to B in the near of A's house. It's a connecting fact. Okay. After that, a D person told to police officer that many more times I observed that D will be connecting to C's and A persons and his family members. For frequently he made him frequently to A and his family members. So it's a connecting fact because it's a series of all connecting facts. So res geste is a compulsory for the any offence. If any case will be solved by the police officer, then he will be held to Indian Evidence Act 1872, Section 6, res geste. Okay. After that, magistrate find out the allegations, Then he will start the trials. Trials depend on the case. If case will be summon case means a case will be bailable offense. ठीक है, it's a below 2-year offense. A case will be the summon case means a case will be regarded to below 2-year imprisonment. It's a summon case and bail will be granted. Then it's a summon case. Then trial will be summon trial. If a case will be warrant case, if a case will be warrant case, then trial will be warrant trial. Warrant case will be a case will be defined in the imprisonment above 2-year imprisonment will be a warrant case and trial will be warrant trial. Okay, the main object of the trial will be what is the main object of the trial of courts? The main object of the trial of the court is find out the truth, compare to witnesses and documents, hears to victim and accused also.